Costco. Oh my god. This list is endless. Skinny pop. Mayo rice cakes. Mayo rice cakes. That's all I need. Alright, let's go ride bikes.
You want that?
I always think I stuff the cart well, and then you guys just go and Tetris it together. It's awesome. Come on, let's go, let's go. We got bikes to ride.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This one only?
That's it.
Only.
Thank you.
Okay.
All right, Costco is done. Let's go. Oh man, this one's almost out. Little on the ears. Cookie bar. Gloves. The dude is here pumping the pooper. It's pretty loud. It's kind of cool going to these trailside bike stands. Here we go into the haunted forest. Oh my gosh, it's the first time I've been on Dolphina in months. She rides so well. Oh my gosh, I've been riding fat bikes, snow. It's my first time on dirt in so long. Oh my gosh. Finally out here. Auger Falls, Twin Falls, Idaho. Dude, this is sick. Twin Falls is about 60 miles from Haley, where I live. And it's my closest Costco. So I'm out here riding bikes, some dirt, out of the snow, and climbing. Oh, beautiful. Where am I going here? Oop, nice push. I like these little sections where you have two options. Super fun. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. Oh, dude, this is it. Auger Falls is more like a series of rapids than actual waterfalls, but the beauty is striking nonetheless. The trail network slithers through the Snake River Canyon, and the trailhead is exactly 5 miles from the Costco parking lot. All in all, there's about 12 miles of well-signed single track, and there's fun to be had for all skill levels. The climbing is a bit deceiving, as it feels pretty flat and flowy with lots of grade reversals, but my 11-mile ride included 1,100 feet of climbing. I'll put a Strava link in the description below. Although I didn't see any, eagles and hawks are known to nest in the cliffs, and the region is home to many other species of bird and abundant wildlife. Archaeology shows us that Native Americans inhabited the area at least 6,000 years ago, primarily to catch Chinook salmon from the river. In the 1870s, placer mining became popular near the falls, but was short-lived. Since then, the land around Auger Falls has changed hands a few times, and in 1996, a hydroelectric dam project was proposed. Lucky for us, it was rejected. The city of Twin Falls purchased the land in 2002, and in 2014, Auger Falls Park opened to the public. All right, climbing out away from the Snake River, from the waterfall. Man, that was better than I expected. Look at this. So listen here, if you live in Twin Falls, if you're passing through Twin Falls, if you're going to Costco, whatever it may be, if you like nature, get on out. Ride the Auger Falls Trail Network. It's so incognito, right next to the Snake River. Fast, flowy, fun, whoa, let me catch this dude. Whoa, he got out of the way, he's a fat one. The whole ride is just peaceful, 360 views. What else could you want? I've been riding for a little while. The adrenaline, the endorphins are going. I'm talking nonsense. Ooh, through the V. Ooh, do you remember that show, the V? Is it called V? Oh my gosh. I used to be so scared of that show when I was young, but still loved it. Can it get any better than this? Can it? You tell me down in the comments below. And here we are. We're back at the track. Howdy. Beautiful day. Beautiful. Thanks so much for squeezing dirty teeth into your busy schedule. Please help us reach more people and ensure you receive new videos by giving this video a like, subscribing to the channel, and clicking the notification bell. Until next time, ride bikes, drink beer, live happy.